Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how Fix Security Policy prevents the installation of this application error on Samsung phone. First, open Settings on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Scroll down and tap Security and Privacy. Scroll down again and tap More Security Settings. Next, tap Device Admin Apps. If any toggle is turned on, turn it off. After that, restart your phone and try installing the app again. If the problem is still not fixed, follow these steps. Once again, open Settings. Now scroll down and tap on General Management. Then tap Reset. Select Reset All Settings. Once the reset is complete, try installing the app again. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.